Hello, fellow cruiseaholics. Welcome to the Latchkey Traveler. My name is Lynn Masters. I am a certified travel professional. I specialize in curating cruise vacations with a special affinity for Generation X. Why Generation X? Because I am Generation X. I'm just like you. I've spent the last 30 years building my career, raising my family, and taking those very, very, very needed vacations. I know how important those vacations are. It's a time to refuel, relax, and recharge. But I also know how expensive they are. So there's a lot of anxiety that goes into planning a vacation because you're spending all your time and because you're spending your valuable money, you want to get it just right, don't you? But who has the time for the task of planning an overwhelming vacation? It can be overwhelming when you start pulling everything together. That's where a certified travel professional comes in. You can entrust those tasks to me because I have all of the resources that are needed to pull together everything for you. How does that sound? So I'd love an opportunity to connect with you and find out what kind of travel history you have as far as cruises. Have you been on several cruises? Have you never been on a cruise before? Have you been on several cruises but you have some really grand ideas about other destinations and not sure where to start? I can help you with that. Have you never been on a cruise before and you're worried about some of the things that you've heard about cruises before? I can help you with that too. I know what you're thinking right now. Why would I trust a travel professional when I can go online and book everything myself? Well, I can answer that for you. I've done all of the supplier training with Norwegian, with Royal Caribbean, with Carnival, with Princess, with Disney. All of them are specialized for some of their destinations. So if you tell me that you want to go to Alaska and you want to go climb some mountains, I have the right cruise line for you. So now you're ready to go. Please reach out to me and let's get things started. Our first step is going to be to schedule a consultation. This is where we can talk by video. We can go over your visions. We can go over your plans. I can answer a bunch of questions for you. I'll gather some information so that I can start putting together a cruise package for you. There are many ways to get in touch with me. I'm available by phone. You can send me an email. Please, please, please visit my website. I'm also all over social media. Thank you so much for visiting my channel today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. If you would, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel page so that you can stay up to date on the latest cruise addiction information.